What is going on, guys? My name is Troy. This is the all-new Osmo Pocket by DJI. This is going to be an unboxing video. Let's go ahead and get started. So it is no secret that I'm a huge DJI fan. I've had a couple of their drones now. This is going to be my first handheld system from them. I haven't done much research on the Osmo Pocket, but it's a DJI product, so I'm sure it's going to impress. We also get to experience that unboxing together. I purchased this camera with my own money. It is not sponsored. I do not get paid to make videos. If you're considering purchasing one, you'd be doing me a personal favor by using the Amazon affiliate link in the description below and adding to your cart. It's super simple, it costs you nothing, and it helps me be able to continue making great content for you to enjoy. Wow, this thing is super small. That definitely fits in your hand nicely. The camera up here, the gimbal, this is all metal. So it has good weight to it, feels really solid. And this is the case that the Osmo Pocket goes inside. As you can see, it has some cords and instructions in there. This can plug right into your phone, just like how other DJI products, their drones and things like that connect to your phone for the live streaming. And I think it has a few, yeah, those are different adapters. I think that one's USB-C right there. And then this one is a lightning adapter. Okay, so this case feels pretty nice. It has like a rubber grip to it, and it looks like this goes like this, and then the gimbal turns sideways, and it should just slide right in. Okay, yeah, just like that. And this could easily go in your pocket or something like that, so you could carry it around with you and not have to put it into a backpack or something like that. A couple of stats on this. This is a 1 by 2/3 sensor, good for 4K at 60 FPS, and you should get about 140 minutes of video time. The mechanical gimbal on here, obviously that's going to give you much better image stabilization compared to like digital stabilization or that electronic stuff that's inside of a smartphone. Now, if you're not using the app on your phone, it does have a little screen right here which you can see the camera live on. That's pretty cool. I don't know the resolution off the top of my head. And DJI says that this is going to have all of the video modes that their drones do, so active track, panorama, motion lapse, night shot, all of those things built in. There's also a new app that goes with the Osmo Pocket. I believe it's pronounced Mimo. It's called My Moment, which allows you to upload all of your videos right to that and then edit videos on your phone, export those, upload them to Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all those sites. So not a ton of stuff here in the box. You get the cords that connect to your phone, obviously the Osmo itself, and a nice little carry case. The app and stuff like that you download, and then you're pretty much good to go. You just charge it and you're ready. I can't wait to test this out. After becoming more familiar with the Osmo Pocket, I'll make a full review. I definitely recommend checking that out because it's from the perspective of someone who actually bought one and will be using it. Many reviews of products like this are from big journalism companies who are sent free samples from the manufacturer, and then after they review it, it gets put on a shelf or it's flipped on eBay. So they don't really understand the product the same way someone using it continuously might. I will shortly be uploading a 4K raw footage test. I want to do a vlogger special as well, comparing this camera to the one I'm filming with now, which is a Sony RX100 Mark V. Since the Sony seems to be the unanimous best vlogging camera ever, link in the description or click on the annotations at the end of the video to see those. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what your thoughts of the Osmo Pocket are. Link in the description where you can purchase one, and I'll see you next time. Like a Hellcat.